Hello everyone, we're honored to participate in today's forum and special thanks to the host, Startup Terrence, and each one of you for making this happen. We are eKoPro Solutions, and we present to you the eKoEN Lightweight Energy Management System. eKoEN is an energy and environmental monitoring ecosystem constituted of IoT technology, professional knowledge, big data, cloud computing, open data, and artificial intelligence. eKoEN is compatible with various hardware and software systems in virtue of Open API and Modbus protocol. We offer modular solutions to seamlessly fit in different contexts from personal to commercial use. Energy consumption has long been a global concern. Companies, despite of size, are pouring efforts into energy management as it accounts for a major portion of their operational costs. However, smaller firms are at a greater disadvantage since most of the solutions in the current market require high deployment and maintenance cost. Moreover, most energy management systems fail to provide further suggestions or analytics, which are highly valued by firms, especially those that lack access to energy management resources. On the other hand, they are far from cost-effective when it comes to merging the energy management system with building automation system for large-scale corporations. Our eKoEN Lightweight Energy Management System is designed to overcome the current limitations in order to better accommodate to market needs. Its services include a custom-designed power, air quality, and water quality monitoring system with remote control. In correspondence, we've developed an app and webpage that reinforce data visualization for automatic calculation of energy consumption and device condition. The system can also be integrated with other software and hardware through Open API and Modbus protocol for a more holistic and flexible solution. Our energy management system is defined by the following functions: reduces electricity use and cost by power consumption analysis, minimizes unplanned failures of equipment by predictive maintenance, enhances system integration efficiency and power use security, and realizes environmental, social, and governance goal in energy-saving dimension economically. The hardware of eKoEN Energy Management System includes a miniature power sensor, power data module, Wi-Fi relay, environmental sensor, and EK hub. It is designed in a portable size that allows for an easy and non-invasive installation. EK Hub is the central controller of the whole system that oversees all EK devices in the system and transits data to the cloud via Wi-Fi. EK Mini Power Sensor is eKoEN's most valuable development. It is capable of measuring power factor and cable temperature with an accuracy rate of approximately 93 to 95%. In addition, it supports Modbus remote terminal unit communication, suitable for the places requiring anti-wireless and anti-harmonic interference such as hospitals and industrial plants. Furthermore, it has the comparative advantage of an 85% less installation time than other power meters and a significantly lower price since it is easily installed in a power switchboard without mounting another new switchboard. eKoEN software is the core of the system, ensuring fluid transition of interfaces on digital devices like laptops, tablets, and smartphones. Apart from real-time and historical power data collection, it is also equipped with abnormality alert and automatic management of energy usage and equipment functionality. Another noteworthy feature is its support of multiple access rights that enables accurate job differentiation. Finally, it carries out predictive maintenance and generates suggestions for an effective energy distribution. The software stores various forms of power consumption data as shown here. Promising results can be seen from actual application of the eKoEN software at the Global 10 Business Center. a building complex that houses a mall, meeting room, kitchen, wine cellar, movie theater, and serviced apartments. We set up an energy saving plan in the serviced apartments through tracking and analyzing the hourly power consumption, especially on the most power consuming electric unit, the air conditioning system. This not only provides an insight into tenants' power usage, but also when a device needs immediate repair or remodeling. Carbon dioxide, temperature, and humidity are monitored and maintained at an ideal level in a movie theater for a pleasing experience. Temperature and humidity in the wine cellar are also controlled to a specific range to optimize wine quality. Last but not least, sensors in the cooking area keep track of PM 2.5 level, temperature, and humidity. Thank you for listening and feel free to reach out to us if you have any questions.